Hey guys, Big Benzo here from Motorsports Mechanical UAE, and as you can see, we are finally live.
Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. 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 Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. Smoke super, who got the flame for your hooker? I'm the gas man for the cook up. Don't stress, we just getting prepped for a little flex now. You want some?
Now that the container's here, car's here. Wow, what a week it has been. I've slept maybe 3 hours, 4 hours a night. I've been to Dubai, drove in the JDM, rattled them. I took King to JZ and the silver car to show them what we got, what we do. People were gobsmacked, phones were out. RB, billet, what's like they were like, what's Turbo 400? Like they didn't even know like this, well, what it is, you know? I am telling you, my life turned upside down from that moment. This is crazy. Day 2, Yas Marina. I took King to JZ. Yeah, look, I did a McMansell stunt. I left everything, you know, I put 5 pounder boost, nitrous on. I thought if I get it to stay down, a bit of a pedal, we can backdoor it, do some big kilometers. Yeah, no, I nearly 360'd it. From that Saturday till today, we've done 7, 8 cars, tunes. My phone's off the hook. I can't explain it to you. I'm still gobsmacked what this week's been like. Is the reality hasn't hit yet. I do want to get off my plane in the next couple of hours. It's actually going to sink in. Okay, so in the container, obviously, as you can see, we've got Haltech stock. We had Raceworks, we had Turbo Smart, we had PRP, we had Hypertune, R35 brake kit from Australia. We have PPG gearbox, PPG front LSD. So now I've got engines complete. So if anyone rattles an engine in the UAE, mate, pick up your phone, ring me. We'll tune 3 cars today. I was one a pump fuel car, Haltech Elite, G35. Was funny because when he first come to me, he sent me a Yes. He walks up to me, he goes, hey man, how you going? I said, good, how are you? He goes, good. He goes, man, I watched that Motive DVD and I seen you come with him to Dubai. I said, he goes, mate, I've made the identical twin of his car. These guys have copied our cars, like they've copied us and what we do. I go, what did I make at the other shop? He said, I think 430 or 440. Pretty bang on, made 410. Customer looked at me, he goes, what do you reckon it'll make? I go, look, comfortably, I'm gonna say 600, 620 on the same boost. ECU was locked, wiped it, started again, reached in the car, made 630 something horsepower on the same exact boost. Mate, the guy came back with the biggest smile on his face, and the only words I heard him say was, next trip, E-Flex sensor, E85. I want more now. He's gone, he's addicted now. His mate's car, stock engine, G35, same package. Filled it up with the 85, and I turned around and I tuned it. I think he made like 380, 390 kilowatt. It ran out of fuel pump. Obviously, we'll get to put a fuel system in it, fuel lines. We're going to turn it up because I know it'll make 500 kilowatt. Are they happy? They're stoked. What else? I tuned the 34 GDR pump fuel today, stock engine, ID injectors, Haltech Elite, made 380 kilowatt. Before Andrew came, I'd done a Purple 34 V-Cam, stock engine, 350 kilowatt package, twins, just a little normal go package. Now, they're rolling in the bookings. So what we're doing now, like obviously GDR Festival is 20 days away. I've promised how many customers their cars, so I better get back on that plane and head back home. But obviously now what I want to do is obviously get it all booked in. So if someone wants a booking, message us on Instagram, our WhatsApp number. Happy to always help, we'll always message you. What I'm gonna try doing is once every 4 to 5 weeks, come in, tune cars, get it done, get it rolling and go. Because obviously the demand, as the demand gets higher for engines, as the demand gets higher for the bigger builds, I have to keep up with that. I can't be away from the shop in Australia because that's pretty much my hub. Everything happens there, it gets shipped here, bang, put it in your car, let's dyno it. My biggest thing now is I want to be a parts supplier, a dyno tuner, and I want to supply packages. I am done being a mechanic. Finito, finished. I just want to go racing, race with my customers, tune cars for my customers, sell parts to my customers, and obviously work with all the workshops in the UAE. We're getting along with other workshops, we're working together. We're trying to make something, but obviously now I've come to a point that I'm an Arab country. They don't like losing, I don't like losing. So guess what? It's time to go to World War III with them. I'm gonna say it how it is. B7, you're dead.
Khalas, what happened?
You're my first one. Sub-Zero Mohammed, I don't care how fast your 35 is. RB for life, brother, you're dead as well with him. Whoever else wants to join on the bandwagon, let's go. I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm gonna get a couple of cars ready for Sweet 1.5 mile. I've got a couple of sequential GDRs we want to send from Australia now over. We want to get a Sweet 1.5 mile, only 500 meters. I want to see how fast we can actually go. I want to show them a 6-speed. I want to show them a bill of block, paddle shifted. I want to show them what they don't know they have.
Flex, yes, yes, oh my god. Can I 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 flex, yes, yes, can I flex, yes, yes, can I flex, yes, yes, oh my god. Can I flex, yes, yes, can I flex, yes, yes, can I flex, yes, yes, oh my god. Smoke super, who got the flame for your hooker? I'm the gas.